Have you ever noticed how easy it is to spend hours on YouTube watching videos about starting a business, but never actually start? I mean, watch this. If I start how to start a business on YouTube, there are hundreds of videos competing for my attention. Each one looks helpful, so you click on one, then another, and before you know it, the day's gone. But here's the thing, watching videos doesn't build your business, taking action does. The average person spends over 20 hours a week watching online videos. Imagine if you spent even half that time building something real. If you are ready to go from learning to earning, I've dropped a link in the description to the AI Business Builder Challenge. It's a 5-day step-by-step plan to set up your own AI-powered freelance digital marketing business without needing funnels, websites, or tech headaches. In just 5 days, you could be taking real steps toward building your business instead of losing another week to endless videos. The link's in the description if you want to check it out, and you can start today.